Hi guys, today I'm gonna talk a little bit about Ocean Finance and how I make money on a bear market using the Oceans miner. Uh, Step by step, first we take our Binance network, Binance chain wallet, crypto wallet. We go to PancakeSwap and we trade our BNB BUSD for the Oceans token. Um, After that, we can follow my link or you can look for Ocean's Finance page on Google. Um, and we'll go over here to the Ocean's Miner page, or if you follow my link, it'll bring you here directly. And then you can, over here, you can add your Oceans to your Ocean's Miner. And you can start earning 12% daily return, APR of 4,380. And how this works it, is you need to compound 6 days, and then on the seventh day, you get to surf your seas or collect your oceans. Um, it's a really nice project. I've been here for like around a month. Mainly been investing on oceans, not so much on the miner. I started the miner around 2 weeks ago, and as of now, it's worked well. It's worked how it's supposed to. I'm not mad at it, and I recommend it. So if you guys are looking for a way to make money during a bear market, some passive income, this is the way. Alright guys, gonna leave you, take care and have good luck in your investments. Bye bye.